What some of you may not know is that one of the hardest parts of making a cloak is trying to find the right clasp for it. I saw another artist do this, and now I kind of want to try. Turns out making a pretty spiral is harder than it looks. Hamilton. Okay, that's pretty cool. It's still a bit too bendable. I don't know if this is gonna work. There we go. Let's see if I can do this. Trying not to hit the bead. I'm almost fusing the wire together. That one's a lot sturdier. It's pretty. That's kind of pretty. Okay, that's actually really cute.